Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing this very early August the 13th, 7 a.m. Quick look at the market, and we can see there's a couple of things going on here. The Ethereum price is going to the $4,800. It will not be denied. It's sitting just below it. If we look at it in the full screen, it's sitting at 44.58. 48.33 is our current target. And then you do know our megaphone pattern target is $10,323. And you can see currently in the daily time frame, we're way above the megaphone neckline resistance. We're about to hit the old all-time high at 48.33. We're going to do that today. And then, like we drew out yesterday, you could see a correction, maybe down to retest the megaphone neckline as a support, and then go to the $10,000. Or we might just blow by the 4,800 and continue upward as the institutional adoption and the institutional buying has continued and has been what has pushed up Ethereum up better than nearly 150% in about 45 to 50 days. If we look at the Bitcoin price, we're going to do this quick because I am at work. I just wanted to give you a quick update. You can see Bitcoin yesterday attempted to breach its old all-time high 2 days ago. Got up to 122,000. Then it consolidated back down to 117. Currently, we're pushing up again at 120. As you do know, if we break to the upside, something we've been following, that we thought we were doing a similar consolidation or might be like that when we were right there. It's been about double the length. But if it does break to the upside, it still has the $155,000 target because we've been in this 3.5-year rising channel ever since the COVID mountain double top. We can just give you a refresher. COVID mountain double top 21 to 22 or 2020 to 2022. Took about 2 years to do that pattern. And this has been about 3 years in this pattern, right? You can see the support, resistance, support, resistance, support, fake out, resistance, support, resistance, fake out to the downside, and then riding along support. So if we do break to the upside on the next move, $155,000 is your upside target. If we do consolidate to the downside, obviously the 50-day moving average at uptrending 114 and the 100-day moving average, which is just above the pattern support of 3 years of the rising channel at $109,000. Those would be your two short-term major support levels. If we go into DGB, it's had a beautiful return rally. You can see we got back on top of the 0.00839, and not only did we do that, we've gotten back on top of the 200-day moving average. And now what you can do while you're on top of the 200 days, you can make a run at this regional 1 cent, and if you can break that, that's how you can move to the next level, which is at between 1.25 cents all the way up to about 1.5 cents, right? So as long as we're above the moving average, bullish, and specifically above the 0.00836, very bullish. AMP, same thing. It's having the same kind of retest the last couple of days, and what I would expect now, I think this is going to follow sort of like what DGB did off the return rally. I think in the next day or two, I think we're going to get back on top of this 100 or the 200-day moving average, and I think we're about to start having a big move to the upside in AMP. I really do. I have over 1 million coins on AMP. I'm down about 13% from where we're at right now on 1 million, just over 1 million coins. I've been accumulating for about 5 months. I think we're about to have a 5 to 20x move in AMP because I could see AMP, and I'm holding to this. I have a upside target from the current price on the move. Our first target is the 2.5 cents, which is the 5x move. Our second target is up here at just above the 5 cents, which would be a 27x move from the current price, right? That's right, a 27x move from the current price. And I'm going to be holding for that because I do believe that that is going to happen. And I think AMP, and my Jabroni Killer members know this, and that's another reason to join this channel. Not only are our gold bullion mining stocks up nearly 300%, I think we're about to 10x AMP between now and the end of 2026 or greater. And that is my bold call. 2026 is the year of the AMP. You can see XLM, as long as you're above the 43 cents, 50 or 70, 55 cents is your next move to the upside, the regional high near from November, and then the next move after that is 79 cents in XLM if this move up continues, Any kind of move to the downside, 36 cents is your major underneath support. XRP, the next move to the upside, is the all-time high at 385 after you break the regional high of 366. And then I think next year, by 2030, $12, and next year, $4 to $7, right? So that's what we're looking at with the coins. Like the channel, subscribe. We'll give you more in-depth news update at lunchtime. Peace and love.